What if I told you that an equation involving 9, 15, and 25 hides a simple structure that completely changes how you solve it? Stay with me, because this equation looks difficult, but the solution is surprisingly elegant. We are going to solve the equation 9 to the power of x plus 15 to the power of x is equal to 25 to the power of x. At first glance, this equation may look complicated because it involves several exponential terms. However, with the right strategy, we can break it down step by step. First, observe that 9, 15, and 25 are not random numbers. 9 is equal to 3 squared, 15 is equal to 3 times 5, and 25 is equal to 5 squared. This observation is the key to simplifying the equation. We now rewrite each term using these factorizations. 9 to the power of x becomes 3 squared to the power of x, which is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. 15 to the power of x becomes 3 times 5 to the power of x, which is equal to 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x. 25 to the power of x becomes 5 squared to the power of x, which is equal to 5 to the power of 2x. After rewriting the equation, we obtain 3 to the power of 2x plus 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 2x. Next, we factor the left-hand side of the equation. Both terms contain 3 to the power of x. Factoring 3 to the power of x gives 3 to the power of x times the quantity 3 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x. So the equation becomes 3 to the power of x times the quantity 3 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 2x. Now we divide both sides of the equation by 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x. This step is valid because these quantities are strictly positive. After simplification, the equation becomes 3 to the power of x divided by 5 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 5 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x. This simplifies further to the quantity 3 divided by 5 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to the quantity 5 divided by 3 to the power of x. We now set y equal to the quantity 3 divided by 5 to the power of x. With this substitution, the equation becomes y plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by y. Multiplying both sides of this equation by y gives y squared plus y is equal to 1. Rearranging terms, we obtain y squared plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Solving it gives y equal to the quantity minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Since y represents a positive quantity, we discard the negative solution. Finally, we return to the original variable. We have 3 divided by 5 to the power of x equal to the quantity minus 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Taking the natural logarithm of both sides allows us to solve for x, giving the unique real solution, which is 0.94. By rewriting the bases, factoring carefully, and introducing a clever substitution, we transformed a difficult exponential equation into a simple quadratic equation. This method shows how structure and symmetry can dramatically simplify exponential problems. If you learned from this step-by-step reasoning and want more elegant solutions to challenging equations like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications bell, and share this video with someone who loves mathematical problem solving. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.